Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Tech Guide, and today we are going to show you how to upgrade your base in Palworld. Now, if you're playing Palworld for the first time, I know it's one of the most popular games at the moment, and if you're wondering how can you upgrade your base, well, first, of course, you're going to need a Pal box like this, and this is a very new game that I just created like not even an hour ago. So if you go near the Pal box, you're going to have a few options pop up, F, V, and C. So F is to open your PAL box where you can see your pretty much storage for all the PALs that you've caught. V is base upgrade, and C is fast travel. C is where you could like open like gateways like this, where you could just not run or mount a PAL and just run towards it. It just literally fast travel. What we want to do is upgrade our base, so just press V like this, and here you're going to have, as you can see, we are at base level 1. And to upgrade your base to level 2 or whatever level is next for you, you will need to pretty much clear out objectives. So as you can see here, we have 2 build wooden chests, which we've done already. Over there we have 2, and deploy a work pal to the base. So that's what we're going to do right now. And to do so, what we're going to do is press F and just choose which pal we want to be part of our workforce in our base. So let's just say, okay, so since this Kativa has workaholic, even though he's a coward, we want a workaholic pal so that they won't laze around like this. And as you can see, Kativa is already in our base and is hauling stuff around. Now, if you go back to your pal box and press V, as you can see here, it's already checked. And all you need to do is click on base upgrade like this. And as you can see, we are now at base level 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.